So what are some common psychological tricks officers use to get you to confess? As a criminal defense attorney and former prosecutor, I've seen all kinds of tricks officers use, and now they're using psychology. You have to remember, law enforcement, they interview people daily. They go to training for interview techniques. They have facilities made just to interview people and get everything down on tape. So they're going to use techniques and styles that will get a person to confess. First trick we've seen, they'll be friendly, hoping that'll release your guard and you start talking to them. This trick works really well. I've seen a lot of confessions based on the friendly approach. Number two, they'll leave you in the investigation room for hours. And I want to say hours. We've seen people be left there for 4 to 5 hours. Some people, we'll talk about in another video, were left there for 17 hours. They do that to have you just sit there alone with your thoughts. You don't have your phone to scroll through. You just have 4 blank walls to look at. And by the time you talk to someone, you just want to get out of there. That's a very good trick, and it really gets people talking. But the technique mostly makes a person feel powerless without any hope. And that's why it works so well. And 3, they claim they have evidence, either fingerprints or DNA. This is a common trick. A lot of times they don't have anything, but officers, they have a right to lie to you, so they can make these claims. And usually when people are faced with that, because we all see CSI or these shows out there, they're gonna try to confess or make up a story to hopefully get themselves out of that jam. So what do you do if you find yourself in all this? You ask for a lawyer, or you exercise your Fifth Amendment right and don't talk.